Okay. Ke karabo le kgata. Gauta. How are you, Karabo, and how are you, Gauta? No, I don't know. We are better than you because we are here at home. You know, we are speaking to the Premier. I was earlier on talking to Maxwell because I was informed that he was involved in some injury, but we managed to arrange. He was at the hospital. I spoke to the medical team. Be rest assured, he was in good spirit. And I said in the evening, I will call when you are together, just to say, not only are the people of Fitakomutubat, as you have seen, are fully behind you, the people of Sekhukhune, of Limpopo, and the entire country, we are all fully behind you for the braveness and the resilience that you have shown up to so far. There are many who doubted that you would make it up to so far, but you, against all odds, you have been able to make it that far. So that is really encouraging, and I'm sure a number of young people are learning a lot from you, especially when we learn that you are using the BMX bicycle. I must also share with you that earlier on, when I was talking to Maxwell this morning, he shared with me a very touching story. For one of the reasons that made the three of you to embark on this journey is because you have never been to Johannesburg before, or even Cape Town. So that was touching. He said the first time that he has seen Johannesburg, it's during this journey when he was cycling and the three of you were passing, and you will be seeing Cape Town for the first time. And when I do my calculations now, if I'm not mistaken, you are just likely about 100 kilometers left. So you are almost there. It means you have done almost 1,700 and almost 1,699 kilometers. You have done wonders. Now, from us as the provincial government, we have asked him, because of this touching story of you wanting to see Cape Town, and I'm told there are places that you really would want to visit in Cape Town, and I've said we will make sure that when you arrive in Cape Town, you are not going to fly back to the country before you visit all those areas. We are working with the city of Cape Town and also with the provincial government of Western Cape. You are going to visit all those places that you want to visit. I've already arranged and with the Premier that side. So be rest assured, you will find our team will wait for you there. But we will make sure indeed your dream come true, so that even young people out there must know when you are resilient and how you can change something or kasi challenge. Nna ke le mogolo so le nthutile se sengwe gore if ke re ke nyaka go change mmušo wa Limpopo, ha nka kgotlelela ka bereka ka maatla ka se give up, ke tla kgona. Gore that is the message which everybody, young and old, can learn. For resilience, perseverance, commitment, dedication, you might initiate how you go do something where you can against odds. Yeah. Kibulechi ke nako ya gore ke le theeletše ne ke re ke le fe molaetša o pele le bolela tša lena ditaba le tsebe gore batho ba Limpopo ba le theeleditše gona bjona ka mokago karabo le Gauta no rena ke rena re ikgantšhang ka lena go na le batho ba ne ba sa tsebe le gore Bekatford last mo ke boletše le meyara ka mo romare wa o tla tla ko lena and then o fitlhile a nromela le melaetša gore o le bone ke mmontšha gore wena meyara ape go na le batho ba ne ba sa tsebe le gore o na le pleke ba e bitšang gore ke fita go Mtubatse municipality goba Bekatford. So Maxwell e karabo le Gauta ba dirile gore setšhaba sa Afrika Borwa ka moka se tsebe gore hey go na le Sekhukhune go na le Bekatford batho ba tseba gore go na le Limpopo ba ne ba sa tsebe ka province ya gore so re gantšha ka lena se segolo ke sona se le tsebe gore o mongwe le mongwe o le lebeletše mo nageng ya borena o mongwe le mongwe o nyaka go bona le fitlhelela mole and taba eo ke yona e dirang gore le bone gore re ntse re le founela re le tlhola ka gore le ba sinki ba tsepe gore le a fitlha gape le ko kae gona bjano gore o se ka golela nna ka gore ba tla re le mo tseba gore premier o rata ya la ba ko ba re šetse ba fitlhile Vosta. It's just 108 kilometers go tloga Cape Town. So you are almost there, Banabak. I'm very proud of you.
From the scratch until here where we are today, we really appreciate what the government did to us. We really appreciate what all those people who helped us during the way. I don't know what to say, but all the best things to everyone who participated in this audience. It was really easy, but I can't show where we got it from the trip. It was easy more than doing this year. Even though we were getting a bunch of injuries, but we have that heart for it. We started this way to easy. We really thank South Africa for what you did to us.
One thing that you must also know yourself, you don't know what you have done to the country. Whatever to unite the country is very difficult. Re ba etapele ke le tona golo ya province ke nyaka go bona setšhaba sa rena se ba ngata e tee le ba united go sena gore o ke Movenda o ke Mopedi o ke Mozulu o ke Xhosa lena amongst even yourself ke re ke bola le Maxwell amplexia ka Sevenda ke bola le Karabo o bola ka Sepedi, you know that. And then you have been able to unite all of us. Gore ba banyane dithaka tša lena ba gekolo batho ba bagolo ka moka le reunitile behind all of us. How ka bona social media everybody o bolela ka Maxwell, Gauta le Karabo. Now that is power bana baka. A gona matla a o tshwana le go kopantšha ditšhaba-tšhaba. A gona ha re bolela gore motho ke moetapele ke ga a kgona go kopantša setšhaba o ka se etepele batho ba ba sa kwaneng so batho ba rena mmamotla if o na le ntho e ba kopantšhang ke lena ba bararo so I just want you my batho ba re your boys premier yes they don't know what we were doing behind our behind the backs but today we felt let's just go public re ba botse ba tsebe gore ha o nyaka go kopantša setšhaba you can do it and because Maxwell le Karabo le Gauta they have done it ba kopantšitše ditšhaba-tšhaba a gona motho a sa tsebeng gore Limpopo Sekhukhune Begersfort le ba Shoprite ba le kolota ka gore ba tseba gore Shoprite ya phela ke tlo bolela le bona ba board gore le bona ba tseba gore ba le kolota ka gore everybody gore Maxwell wa America Shoprite le ba BMX ba tseba gore everybody bolela gore Nelisa berekisi di top of the range bicycle la tseba gore ntlo le dirile you I'm not a cyclist but colleague ya premier wako Western Cape because yena wa cycler na mpucha he was saying to me na le tseba gore ya ka ke go kitima ka maoto yena is a cyclist are you don't know premier to cycle over 1,500 kilometers kina go feditse 1.5 with a BMX that is a world record breaking ke bolela ka mantšu ya motho wa o cycler the premier of Western Cape Alan Wind o rile ke le botse ka mogolo so we are proud to be honest we are excited we are praying for you we will pray for you until you reach that finish line. Yeah. Wow. No. Roribo and Amanda, thank you very much. We'll pray for you. We'll be, just wait for the surprise. Let's not spoil any surprise. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. I love you more, Shem. Kali ratola love. You know about it? I love you, Kali ratola love. Mommy loves you, Kali ratola love. How I wish I can have at least 100 cities and Limpopo with your mentality. Province Nailo number 1 in the world. Thank you.